What's up, guys? It's been a while. It's been about a month. I apologize for that. I have been extremely busy. However, as you can see, the ice rink is done. The weather is on the upslope of actually getting warmer. I know it doesn't seem like it right now, but I want to talk to you guys about what's going to happen to the lawn underneath your outdoor ice rink. If you did subscribe to my channel for the outdoor rink content, I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. Now, you may care, you may not care, but you are going to have damage to the lawn if you did this method. And I'm going to show you in upcoming videos how you're going to rectify that, get your lawn nice, green, lush, and looking good. Now, you're going to have to keep in mind that you did just freeze the ground, and that's what you were skating on. So the damage is going to happen. You're going to have some dead spots. Some of it's going to survive for sure, but I'm going to show you how you can revitalize it once all of this snow finally melts and get that lush lawn back, and I can get my par 3 back. If you haven't seen it, I'll throw up a couple pictures right now just so you know what I'm talking about. Now, this might go without saying, but do not by any means put salt on the rink to get rid of it, because that's just going to cause more harm than it does good. Not worth it. Don't waste your time. You'll damage the grass even more. Now, to help get that lawn looking good after the snow melts, you are going to need a few things. These are the products that I use in a typical lawn season. Now, you're not going to need everything that you see behind me, but you are going to need some fertilizers, preferably a backpack sprayer. That company is awesome, Petra Tools. I recommend them. I leave a link in every video so you can go check them out. And I do the same with the GrowForge products. These are liquid fertilizers, and those are the ones I'm going to be using to get that golf course lawn back after I have just tortured it by throwing ice all over it. Now, in the near future, I'm also going to have videos coming up on what you can do about dog damage to your lawn, because that little guy, he's going to cause some damage to the lawn. He's going to be peeing, he's going to be digging, he is going to be running around like crazy and wreaking havoc on my golf course yard. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it, what you can do to prevent it, and all of that will be coming up in the videos in the next few weeks. So make sure you subscribe. We'll see you soon. This has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.